right, so I'm glad. I hope I gave you guys some different things to think about. I'm glad we did this because we can't talk about data science every single day, right? We got to mix things up, and as I said before, most of us are going to end up working in some sort of corporate environment as a data scientist, right? You're probably not going to go work for a small company, right? You're going to go work for a bigger company usually, right? So these dynamics are important to understand, right? So I'm glad we did this. You guys gave wonderful feedback. It's always good for us to sit and hear other people out, right? What's important to you? Oh yeah, that's important to me too, but I see it this way, right? So this is all very healthy stuff, in a Mr. Miyagi type of way. We're still learning about data science, right? About how to develop our scientific mind, right? So I hope you guys found that beneficial. Patrick says everyone should get your first data science for now. Oh, thank you so much, Patrick. I really appreciate that. Joseph says, just got the book 2 days ago. Thank you so much. And if you guys want to leave an honest review on Amazon, I appreciate that. It helps. I got my first reviews. I'm a 5-star on Amazon right now, so I'm really happy about that. So if you guys can do the same, I appreciate that. Rex says it was really insightful going over the support. Love it. Well, great, Rex. I'm glad you found it helpful. I'm trying to bring you guys a variety of content that's still obviously data science oriented. Sunday, we are back to our class. I finished the materials this morning. It's going to be an interesting class. So Sunday, 1500 GMT, if you want to join us for the Introduction to Statistical Learning book. We're having a good time with that. We're at the halfway point. This Sunday's our halfway point, so I'm really excited. It's going really well. So thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today.